kay Dinuyo.
Guys, there's a red notebook in the empty desk.
Why is it there? What story is your name to?
It doesn't belong to someone?
I don't know. It scares me.
You're scared of what?
Everyone, look at the board.
Those are the words that we wrote yesterday. I didn't write that.
You see that? We should get out. Wait, the door is locked. This isn't fun anymore.
Wait, there's something written on the last page. What does it say? It says, I was there, nobody listened. I know that message. Years ago, a student was bullied in this classroom. They always sat in the empty chair. So the notebook belongs to the student? Maybe they disappeared and since then the notebook always returns?
This is my fault. Look! Someone is there! It's coming closer!
It's scared now.
Wait, don't run! I think it wants us to listen. You're right, we shouldn't be afraid. Sorry for what happened to you. You are not forgotten. We heard your story, so you can rest now. Maybe it only wanted us to remember.
It's finally over.
Good morning, class. Why is everyone so quiet?
Nothing, teacher. Everything is finally over.